Welcome back to Sleek Guides. Today we're fixing one of the most common frustrations on Disney Plus, those tiny, hard to read subtitles. Stop squinting at your screen. In just 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize your subtitle font size for the perfect viewing experience. We'll cover menu access, deep diving into styling settings, and how to lock in your preferred font size across all your devices. Did you know that over 40% of viewers now watch with captions always on? Whether it's for accessibility or just better clarity, having the right text size is a game changer. Let's jump into the web app. Step 1. Launch your favorite show. While playing, move your cursor to reveal the controls and click the audio and subtitles icon in the top right. It looks like a small speech bubble. Step 2. Once that menu opens, don't just pick a language. Click the gear wheel icon at the top right. This is your gateway to the subtitle styling interface. Step 3. Scroll down to font size. You can choose from extra small all the way to extra large. Watch the preview window at the top to see the changes in real time. Remember, these changes auto-save to your profile and will sync across your smart TV and mobile devices. If you ever get stuck, just hit Reset to Defaults at the bottom. That is the quick and easy fix for Disney Plus subtitles. If this helped, hit that subscribe button for more high-value tech guides from Sleek Guides. I'm your educator, and I'll see you in the next one.